guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to beauty and makeup. In today's video, we'll be talking about what were the best skincare products of 2020, or you can say my yearly 2020 favorites in terms of skincare. I've already done a video where I have talked about what were the best makeup products of 2020. So it is in line of that kind of video only. I'm talking about yearly favorites, 2020 yearly favorites. So let's begin the video without wasting any more time. To put it out there, like, I'm not saying only these are the products which I'm showing, only these products are the best products of 2020. But according to me, like, the products which suit me, which I love the most, my ride or die products of 2020, I'm talking about those products. So I will begin with the face wash. So for my favorite, I have only one face wash. This is Himalayas face wash. Like, I have been using this face wash since years now. Like, I don't remember, like, when I was a kid, then only I started using this face wash. I have tried other face washes as well, but like, this is my best. Like this face wash suits my skin, like, it suits my skin like anything. So like, this is my ride or die product. I seriously cannot survive without this one. I absolutely love this face wash, and it's purifying neem face wash. The variant of this Himalayas, like, there are Kesar and other variants as well, but I want to keep it very simple because I don't want to have pimples, because I use makeup and everything, so I don't want my skin to break out. So I go with purifying neem face wash. All the Himalayas fan, like, comment Himalayas in the comment section down below, because I want to know, like, who are the Himalayas fan. Like, they use Himalayas like anything like I do. So just write Himalayas in your comments and I will know. I don't think so I mentioned this, but I'm planning to do like a series of this video. Like I have already done makeup, I am doing skincare, and I'm planning to do body care products as well and hair care products as well, and I might move on to the clothing item or like other items as well. So I want to like create a series of yearly favorites 2020, so that I can mention, because instead of like putting everything in one video, I want like small different videos that you can figure out like different products like makeup, skincare. You don't have to watch like the full one long video. Next product is under eye cream. Like, I have major dark circles, like it has come down. Like, I'm wearing very little makeup today because I didn't want to apply makeup today for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, for my under eye cream, I use this Bella Vita lip eye cream, not lip cream. Under eye cream, this. And the best thing about this is eco-friendly. It's made of all the natural ingredients. Like, it is cucumber, jojoba and basil. Like, it helps in repairing dark circles, it helps in curing puffy eyes, and it helps in anti-wrinkle and anti-aging. I cannot tell about anti-wrinkle or anti-aging. Like, it has not helped me regarding that, but yes, like, it has helped me little bit with my dark circles and everything. So like, this was sent to me in PR. Like, brand has sent to me like a dedicated review video is also there on my channel. But like, I love this eye cream like anything. Like, this is a part of my nighttime skincare routine. Like, I have to apply it before going to bed. Like, this calms me like anything, as it contains cucumber. Moving on to the next category of best products, like best skincare products of 2020. I will talk about scrub. So I'm adding two kind of scrub. One is face scrub and one is lip scrub. So for my face scrub, I use Himalayas face scrub. Again, it is a purifying neem scrub because this suits me beautifully. They have a orange peel variant also, that is also very amazing. But like, this is my absolute favorite, because I didn't want, like, I wanted to be a favorite or best product video, so I didn't wanted to add many products in one category. Like, I wanted to keep max to max 3. I don't think so in any category there will be more than 2 products, but let's see. Yeah, moisturizers will be little bit more, but other than that, I wanted to keep it to the point, like the best and best of the skincare. So this is the scrub. I think everyone must be owning it, and if you have not tried Himalayas product, guys, do try them. And I want to try Biotique as well. I have never tried Biotique product. Like, I know this sounds very strange, but I will try for sure in 2021. I am going to try. I can't believe it's 2021. It sounds so weird. Like, we are so habitual of saying 2020, like 2021. So yeah, this scrub. And then my second scrub is lip scrub. Again, it is from Bella Vita. This was also sent to me by the company, but how I love this product, again, like made of all the natural ingredients. The key ingredients: shea butter, olive oil, veg wax, wheat gem oil, like different kinds of oil, vitamin E. Like, do try their product. Like, it's not a sponsored video. Like, I'm not getting any money to mention any of the products which I'm mentioning in this video, but trust me, guys, you will not be disappointed. They are so budget friendly. They are not that expensive. The prices of everything will be there on the screen, as well as in the description box. Links and everything I will add. So yeah, like, trust me, guys, try their product. Like, look at this lip scrub, and it goes long way. Like, look at the pot. Like, I use once in a week, and like, still. So the next category is face mask. Like, my favorite thing of the skincare. I love masking. So I have two products in this category. Again, one, I think you guys will be able to guess, that is Himalayas. Like, let me show you. Like, this is the face pack. I don't know, like, I have been using Himalayas since ages now, and I don't think so I will ever stop it. Even I will try many products, but somehow I know if I'm having a bad skin day or anything, like, Himalayas will save me. Like, it got me. I know that. So yes, Himalayas, it's a neem pack. Again, I love the neem pack, like neem range of this like brand. So I love it. And the second is my McAfee's. Like, this is such a gorgeous pack. Like, sometimes, although I have I have a dry skin, so like sometimes if I feel that I am like getting acne, like my skin is feeling oily, then I apply this mask, and like this also goes long way. I have like used it so many times. It's it's a magic tub. It never ends. So yeah, like Naked and Raw Coffee face mask. So guys, like McAfee के products भी बहुत amazing होते हैं. I want to talk about serums. I have only one serum for this. Like, this is Rose Shep serum. Like, what a serum it is. Like, what a serum it is. Like, it is about to end. Nothing is there. Like, I am planning to buy one more. Again, this was also sent to me by a brand, but I fell in love with this serum. Like, again, this is a part of my nighttime skincare routine, which I cannot survive without, because like this I need this and my under eye cream. Like, because like I apply a layer of this serum on my face and I go to sleep, and once I wake up, my skin is, you know, extremely hydrated. It feels fresh. It has like, it looks like I have drunk so much water. I love this one. Like, detailed review of this serum is also on my channel. I'm not just saying it. I will, like, trust me guys on this serum. Do try it. Like, if like, it works for all skin types, but if you are a dry skin person, like, this will save. Moving on to the next category of moisturizers. Like, if I talk about what were the best moisturizers of 2020, again I am adding only 3-4 products in this, and it was so difficult for me to add only 3-4 things. I'm thinking about making another video regarding moisturizers, but like many people have approached me and asked me about the moisturizers, so you guys can blindly, like, for me it works like a magic. Like, for this product I will start. So first moisturizer, I think that you guys must have guessed by now if you have been following me for some. Clinique's Moisture Surge. Like, oh, how I love this moisturizer. Like, it is a magic moisturizer. Like, any problem you are having, anything, it works for so many purposes. Again, not sent by a brand, but it's a dream to work with them, like, trust me. And like, again, a detailed video of this moisturizer is there on my channel. Like, this works if I am having a bad skin day, like if my skin is behaving very weirdly, very badly, and I don't know what is causing it, and then I use this works as a makeup remover as well. It works as a nighttime moisturizer. It is a beautiful and like most amazing, hands down most amazing moisturizer I have ever used in my life, like ever. I cannot begin to like. So my next is Blue Nectar's. This is their brightening and radiant green apple cream. They have other creams as well. They are also very amazing. I have worked with this brand for some time, and like they make amazing products, all natural products, because I try to use all the products, or I try to mention to you guys all the products, like, because I try to make videos for like beginners. Like, if you are a newbie in skincare or makeup, or if you are doing makeup for the first time, on my channel I try to create makeup tutorials for beginners, or like skincare things for beginners, like everything. So this is amazing. This moisturizer, again, the hero ingredient in this moisturizer is green apple. Fabulous. Again, another moisturizer I will recommend to most people, Urban Botanics. Like, this moisturizer I have used it so much that इसका cap भी टूट गया है. Like, this is such a beautiful moisturizer. It is neem and basil mattifying moisturizer. So I used it in the summer's time, but it works wonderfully in the winters as well. Trust me guys, the moisturizers, I am only mentioning 3-4 products, but these moisturizers are the top level for me. Like, I feel these are the best moisturizers that I have used in my life. Again, the next is Mamaearth vitamin C face cream. This has come in my favorites. Like, if you guys know me, if you have been following me for some time, that you must be knowing that I am adding all the products which I have been using and showing in my videos. So you know that all the products I'm mentioning are the super products. Like this one also, I am a big fan of using vitamin C, so add vitamin C in this. Yes guys, this is it. I think ये भी वीडियो थोड़ा लंबा हो गया. Although पहले तो I was thinking कि I will do the body care, skin care, hair care, everything in one video only. Now I think it's good that I have not done that, because otherwise 35, 40, 50 minutes का वीडियो बन जाता. Because I'm doing the yearly favorites, or the favorite best products of 2020. तो उसके अंदर कुछ products तो रहेंगे. So yes guys, this is it for the skincare. I'm so excited to share this with you. I hope you like my recommendations, and if you guys are already using this moisturizer, all these products, let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye, take care.